Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the console safe. Unplug power and all cables, then place the Xbox on a soft, flat surface. Use a cloth to grip the top perforated panel and pull straight up. It comes off without tools. Once the panel is off, rotate the unit, remove visible screws with a magnetic driver, and drop them into a labeled tray. You do this now so parts stay organized. This prevents confusion when reassembling and preserves airflow paths for effective cleaning. You now access the internal shroud. First, locate and gently unplug the fan cable at the motherboard. Pull the connector, not the wires. Next, remove the shroud screws and lift the shroud evenly, tilt it slightly to free hidden clips. Once exposed, inspect the heatsink fins and fan blades. You will see dust channels. Use a can of compressed air in short bursts, blowing from the heatsink outwards, and a soft brush to dislodge stubborn dust, making sure debris exits the case. You finish by reinstalling the fan and shroud. Align them, reconnect the fan cable, and tighten screws snugly. Do not over-tighten. Before snapping the top panel back on, plug power and boot the console. Listen for smooth fan spin and confirm the Xbox reaches dashboard. Once confirmed, power down, unplug, and press the panel back into place. If the console won't boot, power off, reopen, and reseat motherboard connectors and screws. Misplaced screws or a loose connector are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.